here to question number 3. There is a graph is given. So figure 1 shows the sketch of the graph, which is 3y equal to 3 times 2 power x. Graph is given. So the point P of k comma 300,000 lies on the graph. So use logarithmic to find the value of k. That's your question, first question. So the curve is y equal to 3 times 2 power minus x. So this is a part. The curve is 3 times 2 power minus x, passing through the point P of k comma 300,000. K comma 300,000. So our question is we need to find k. That's a question. Okay, let's go. So just substitute the value here. 300,000 equal to 3 times 2 power minus k. Okay, so next 300,000 over 3 equal to 2 power minus k. So this become 100,000 equal to 2 power minus k. So now the question says use logarithmic method. So we are taking natural log both the sides. So 100,000 equal to 2 power minus k. So as we know, log a c, we can write c into log a power b. This both applicable for natural log also. So this is, so log 100,000 equal to, I can write minus k into log 2. So next log 100,000 by log 2 equal to negative k. So this answer is 16.6096 equal to negative k. So k equal to minus 16.6096. So k equal to, the question says around 2 decimal places. So which is minus 16.61. that is the first answer. Okay, let's go for the second part. There is a table is given. Table the values of the same equation, which is y equal to 3 times 2 power minus x. The value of y are given 3 decimal places. Okay, so use the trapezium rule. Find this value. Final answer should be 2 decimal places. So they have like, we need to find integral minus 0.527. So part B 1. Okay, so the question is integral minus 0.527 3 times 2 power minus x dx. We need to find this using a trapezium rule is given. So first we go for trapezium rule. Trapezium rule is integral a to b y dx equal to h by 2 of y0 plus yn plus 2 into all the between. The y0 is the first value, yn is the last value. So between all the values, which is y1 plus y2 plus keep going until yn minus 1. Okay, so here first we need to find height. Height is nothing, the x value, the x box. Okay, so here what is the height? Here to here and here to here, everything is even, so keep increasing 1.5. so this is minus 0.521. so 1 minus of 0.5, minus of 0.5, 1 plus 0.5, which is equal to 1.5. so next 1 to 2.5, which is 1.5, 1.5. so that is the height equal to 1.5. 0.5. Next we are going to find all the y0 value. Y0 is the first value, which is 4.243. It's all values like a y0, y1, y2 is kind. Okay, so y0 equal to what's the value? 4.243. 4.243. So next y1 equal to 1.5. Next y2 equal to 0.530, y3 0.188, y4 0.066. Next last one, y5 equal to 0.023. Okay, so we'll substitute the equation. So our question is we have to go minus 0.527 3 times 2 power minus x. Okay, dx equal to, so our question is h by 2. H by 2 is 1.5 over 2 and the bracket y0, which is 4.243 plus yn. Yn is our last term, which is 0.023 plus 2 into all the between terms we should add up. So the values are 1.5 plus 0.530 plus 0.188 plus 0.066. Okay, just simplify. So which is 0.75 into 4.243 plus 0.023 plus 2 into, you will get the answer 2.284 when I add up all. So you'll get 0.75 into 4.243 plus 0.023 plus 4.568, which is equal to 0.75 into 8.834. So the answer is 6.6255. So they asked decimal place, 2 decimal places. So we need to write the answer is 6.63. So this is the answer of minus 0.527 3 times 2 power minus x dx. See, minus 0.527 is the limits already given. The box is given minus 0.527. Okay, so this part is over. Next, B part 2. Okay, use your answer the part 1. Do the question minus 0. Okay, 2 power minus x dx into 2 power x, that is minus 720.5. Okay, we need to find out minus 0.527 2 power minus x dx plus minus 720.5 2 power x dx. So the before question part 1 is given minus 0.5 times 7 3 times 2 power minus x dx. We got the answer, which is 6.63. From here we'll bring the 3 out. 3 is like constant, so minus 0.527 2 power minus x dx equal to 6.63. Bring the 3 to right side, which is minus 0.527. 2 power minus x dx equal to 6.63 over 3. So our first part answer is minus 0.527. 2 power minus x dx equal to, just divide 2.21. That is our first part answer. Now we are going to calculate the second part, which is integral minus 7 to 0.5 2 power x dx. So here is, so as we know, when you switch, this is minus 0.527 is become minus 2x dx, which is nothing, the same value, 2.21. So finally minus 0.527 2 power minus x dx plus integral minus 7, what is the question, minus 7 to 0.52 power x dx equal to 2.21 plus 2.21, which is equal to 4.42. That's the final answer here.